my grandfather said, if something's going to happen, our people will witness it.
When I was a student at McGill, I studied art history, of course, and Delacroix became very important to me because of what he said and what he believed in. He said, you know, Europe at that time were questioning their Greco-Roman heritage. And he said that was the antiquity. And he equated the European antiquity with America, the New World. The native people here were the antiquity of the New World. And I really liked it, and it stuck to my mind. This is like 40 years ago.